back to the Cool Cupcake Sisters. I haven't posted a video in a long time, guys, but today I'd like to share with you our short trip to Hoover Dam. Like I said, it is a short trip, but we'd really like to share with you how miraculous and amazing Hoover Dam really is. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's check it out.
It's empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town.
Well, guys, we're in the airplane right now, ready to take off and fly to Las Vegas. I can't wait. And right now, it's like, well, I have a headache right now, but I'll see you there.
The sky, we are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
Welcome to Las Vegas, guys. The flight was really nice, and I'm very sleepy because I just woke up from taking a nap. Yeah. So yeah, I can't wait.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky.
We are looking for a shuttle bus to take us to the place where you can rent a car. Yeah. Info time. Did you know that Hoover Dam used to be called Boulder Dam, and they changed the name to Hoover Dam because of the president named Hoover? Hoover Dam stands 700 feet tall and is only 30 miles away from Las Vegas, Nevada. It was built in 1931 and was finished in 1935. Another fun fact is that, did you know why it was built? It was built to supply water and electricity to the city near Hoover Dam. That's the end of info time. Now let's go back to the video.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Time for another class of history with Noreen's Info Time. They also built a bridge that connects between Arizona and Nevada, or the other way, Nevada to Arizona. That bridge is 900 feet high and 1,900 feet long. It is very huge, isn't it?
town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Well, that's it, guys. Our trip to Hoover Dam is over. Like I told you, it was a bit short, but I hope you guys caught all the information that you needed, and we'll travel to Hoover Dam someday. Right now, me and Jana are having some fun and staying the night in Las Vegas, seeing all the pretty lights and watching the water show. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, just smash it. Hit the notification bell and the like button. Comment good comments, share this video, and also don't forget to watch all our other videos. I love you so much, guys.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Simon. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. my heart afire.